everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 4 easy treats for Halloween time. I just love a spooky season with spooky treats. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my little channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. It's that simple. Treat number 1 is the ghost. You will need Nutter Butter, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. For the brand of chocolate, I chose Ghirardelli. This one is so fun to make just because it's super easy. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to melt your chocolate. You can melt your chocolate on the stovetop or using a microwave. I usually do 25 seconds, mix it, and do another 25 seconds. Now all you're gonna do is dip the Nutter Butters in the chocolate. Now all we're gonna do is dip them halfway. They don't have to be perfect, that's the fun part. Now usually I have Halloween music playing on the background just because I like the spooky feel and it feels nice and festive. And guys, just remember, I'm not a professional, I just love to have fun. Usually my treats, I like to lay them on a baking sheet. Now once you have them all dipped, you're going to set them on side. You could actually pop these in the fridge, and that's what I did just to make it faster and easier. If you still have some white chocolate remaining, don't worry, we're going to use it for the next treat. Next, I'm going to do the same thing I did with the white chocolate. We're going to melt the milk chocolate. I personally like dark chocolate. I don't know why I picked out the milk one, but this is what I'm going to be working with. We are going to melt it just like the white chocolate. We're going to do it 25 seconds in the microwave. Give it a little stir. Another 25 seconds and give it another little stir. Now I didn't have any piping bags, so we're going to be using Ziploc bags. You just have to find things to improvise around the house, and that's okay. We are going to be using this bag of chocolate for other treats throughout the video. Now with the Nutter Butters being all ready, we're going to start grabbing a pretzel stick and actually grab some of the chocolate and dot some eyes and make the little mouth. This treat is so spooky and so delicious. And there you go, some cute little ghosts. The next treat is the mummy treat. You're gonna need some Rice Krispie, some white chocolate, and some candy eyeballs. Now the Rice Krispie treats, I didn't do it by hand, so I bought the packaging one. I opened it up and we're gonna dip it in the white chocolate now. Now you could do either or. If you're a really chocolatey person, you could actually dip the whole Rice Krispie treat inside the bowl. Personally me, I like a little bit of sweetness, so I'm just gonna dip it only the top part, take off all the excess chocolate on it. Now give it a little shake, and they're ready to go on the baking sheet. After these are set, we're gonna drizzle more white chocolate on top. I'm gonna use a Ziploc once again. And after this, I'm gonna add the candy eyeballs. And I think you're supposed to actually put the eyeballs first and then drizzle the chocolate, but it's okay. I'm just having a great time right now. And look how the ghost and the mummy look side by side. So cute. The next one is the spider web. You're gonna need white chocolate, milk chocolate, sprinkles, and pretzels. This one is very fun to make. You're gonna need 8 sticks of pretzels. So I lined them up like little stars. And right here, I'm gonna do 6. So I'm gonna do 3 in white and 3 in the milk chocolate. Now let's start off with the spider webs. As you can see, I grabbed my milk chocolate and I'm gonna put a lot in the center just so it could hold together. And then I'm gonna go spiral around the pretzels. When you're almost close to finish the spiral, you're gonna actually overlap it 3 times just because you really want your pretzel to hold together. I'm gonna do the same with the next one, and after that I'm gonna start doing the white chocolate ones. Just remember to give a good amount in the center and on the edges when you have to overlap them. And now we're gonna add all the sprinkles. I actually like these sprinkles. I like how they're in the color purple, orange, and green. I decided to add sprinkle only on the edges. I think it looks very nice, but it's your choice. You could actually add sprinkles to the whole thing. And like I mentioned earlier, you could pop these in the fridge or just wait for them to set. On to the last treat. We're gonna do the bats. You're gonna need Reese's, milk chocolate, Oreos, and the candy eyeballs. We are gonna start off with the Oreos. We're gonna take off the center, the cream part, and then we're gonna start cutting the cookie itself in half. Now with your chocolate, your Reese's ready, we're gonna start assembling them. So we're gonna actually start with gluing the Oreo wing on the Reese's itself. And when I say gluing, you're literally gonna grab the same milk chocolate that you used earlier and put it on the Oreo. And you're gonna follow the same step to all the Reese's. And there you go, they're already looking like bats. I think they're so adorable. Next, we are gonna glue the eyeballs to the Oreos and follow the same steps to all of them. Now guys, don't these look fantastic? Get it? Fantastic? I really love how these came out. They're so cute. And that is it with all the treats. I think they came out amazing. I just love a house full of Halloween treats. You could do it for a Halloween party, for a movie night, or just for fun. And that is it with the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link another video of me making caramel apples that I did last year. With all that said, have a nice and spooky day.